In the world of home decor and furniture, wood has long been regarded as a classic and versatile material. Its appeal lies not only in its aesthetic qualities, but also in its durability and functionality. For those considering woodworking as a profitable venture, there are numerous avenues to explore that can yield high profits. The key is to identify unique, marketable items that cater to current trends while also reflecting craftsmanship and quality. One of the most lucrative areas in woodworking is creating bespoke furniture pieces that cater to specific customer needs. Customization is a significant trend in today's market, with many consumers seeking items that reflect their personal style and fit their unique spaces. By offering custom designs, you can command higher prices for your work. This can include tailored dimensions for furniture that fits awkward spaces, personalized finishes that resonate with clients' tastes, or even multifunctional pieces that maximize utility in smaller homes. For example, a coffee table that doubles as storage or a console table with integrated charging stations for devices can attract buyers looking for both style and practicality. In addition to custom furniture, creating limited edition or artisanal pieces can also be a profitable endeavor. These items can stand out in a crowded market, appealing to consumers who value uniqueness and craftsmanship. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decor pieces ideas you can turn to high profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. By employing high-quality materials, intricate designs, or innovative construction techniques, you can create pieces that are not only functional, but also serve as conversation starters. This approach can include handcrafted wooden bowls, unique wall art, or sculptural decor items that highlight the beauty of wood. The exclusivity of limited runs can justify higher prices and attract customers willing to invest in distinctive items for their homes. Another area to explore is the production of wooden home accessories and decor items. Items such as coasters, serving trays, or decorative boxes can be made from offcuts or reclaimed wood, keeping production costs low while maximizing profit margins. These smaller items can be sold individually or as part of curated sets, making them appealing gift options. Seasonal decor pieces, such as rustic holiday ornaments or themed centerpieces, can also provide opportunities for sales spikes throughout the year. By capitalizing on holidays and special occasions, you can create products that resonate with consumers looking to enhance their seasonal decorating. Focusing on sustainability can also lead to high-profit opportunities in woodworking. Many consumers today prioritize eco-friendly products, and using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials can set your offerings apart. Creating items from reclaimed wood not only reduces waste, but also adds character to each piece, as reclaimed wood often features unique imperfections and stories. This narrative can be a powerful selling point, allowing you to charge a premium for products that align with eco-conscious values. Consider crafting items like rustic picture frames, garden planters, or outdoor furniture that highlight the beauty and sustainability of reclaimed materials. When it comes to marketing your wooden creations, leveraging social media and online platforms can significantly boost visibility and sales. High-quality imagery showcasing your pieces in styled settings can attract potential buyers and foster engagement. Utilizing platforms like Instagram or Pinterest, where visual content thrives, allows you to reach a broader audience and create a community around your brand. Engaging storytelling about your process, inspirations, and the materials you use can help build a loyal following. Live demonstrations or workshops can also draw attention to your craftsmanship, providing an opportunity to connect with customers on a personal level. Collaborating with local businesses or artisans can enhance your reach and profitability. Partnering with interior designers, real estate agents, or local boutiques can open new markets for your products. Consider offering exclusive items for specific retailers or hosting joint events that showcase your work alongside complementary products. This collaborative approach not only increases exposure, but can also lead to valuable networking opportunities within the industry. Creating a strong brand identity is crucial for standing out in the competitive woodworking market. Your brand should reflect your values, craftsmanship, and the unique qualities of your products. This identity can be communicated through your logo, packaging, and overall aesthetic. Consistency in branding helps create recognition and trust among consumers, making them more likely to choose your products over competitors. Additionally, developing a website that showcases your portfolio, offers e-commerce capabilities, and provides information about your craftsmanship can further enhance your professional presence. In addition to online sales, participating in local craft fairs, markets, or pop-up shops can provide direct access to potential customers. These venues allow you to showcase your work in person, engage with buyers, and receive immediate feedback. Having the opportunity to interact with customers can also help you understand their preferences, which can inform future product development. Additionally, these events can serve as excellent networking opportunities, connecting you with other artisans and potential collaborators. Offering workshops or classes can be another avenue for generating income while sharing your passion for woodworking. Teaching others the skills you've mastered can foster a sense of community and create additional revenue streams. Whether it's a one-time workshop on creating a specific item or a series of classes focusing on different techniques, these opportunities can engage your audience and establish you as an authority in the field. Participants often appreciate the hands-on experience and may even become future customers for your finished products. As you develop your woodworking business, staying attuned to market trends can significantly impact your profitability. Researching current design trends, materials, and consumer preferences can help you tailor your offerings to meet demand. For example, with the rise of remote work, creating functional office furniture that enhances productivity and comfort can attract a new customer base. Similarly, with the growing interest in wellness and mindfulness, items that promote relaxation, such as meditation benches or calming decor, can resonate with consumers looking to enhance their living environments. Investing in high-quality tools and materials is essential for producing items that meet customer expectations and stand the test of time. While it may require an initial investment, using quality materials can lead to fewer returns and greater customer satisfaction. Additionally, well-crafted pieces often garner positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals, further enhancing your reputation and sales potential. As your business grows, consider expanding your workshop capabilities to allow for larger-scale production while maintaining quality. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decor pieces ideas you can turn to high profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.